Welcome to day 5 Vlogmas, and this is my day off. Matt made me some coffee, and then I was craving Porto's breakfast, specifically this breakfast burrito. It is a carnitas breakfast burrito with this green salsa that is truly heaven. And I know it's from 2023, but I did not watch Christmas in Notting Hill, and it was so cute compared to this movie, Christmas Island, which I can't even finish. My goal today is to relax and put up Christmas decorations, which so far I'm relaxing quite well. Matt made us lunch. It's a toasted ham and cheese sandwich. And if you've never put honey on your ham and cheese sandwich, or specifically a grilled cheese, you are missing out. It brings out the flavor of the cheese. I've been doing it since I was a little kid. It's so good. And then Matt was asking me if we could cut up the caramel apple I got last night at California Adventure while I was at the Coast 103.5 private holiday party. And of course I said yes. I never leave the Disneyland parks without a caramel apple. There's something about them that I'm obsessed with. Let's watch the ultimatum, eat this apple, and then decorate the tree. This year I'm going for a winter wonderland tree. I actually do 2 trees. I do a fun, pretty tree, which is this tree, and then I do what I call a memory tree. We'll talk more on that later. And it's crazy to think how long decorating takes because it's already dinner time. Next up for decorations, I'm going to put up garland using the tension rods. I started this last year and I just absolutely love it. I know it's going around TikTok again this year. You have to try it. Another thing I tasked myself with is to get pictures and videos off my phone because I'm always low on storage, and this little device helps me so much. Even if I didn't create content, I would still be running out of space because I love taking pictures and videos of everything. I love making memories. I even take it on vacation. It's so small and just fits easily into your purse, and it saved me on our last cruise because I ran out of space while we were in the middle of nowhere, and I was able to download it onto this thing, know that it was safe on my drive, and take more pictures. I then edited a video. I'm working on perfecting the sock curls. I changed the technique a little bit each time, so watch out for those videos. Let's talk Christmas decorations. You do not need to use every single decoration you own around your house. Take my tree, for example. I like to theme it each year. I have so many different colored bulbs, but this year I'm only using the white ones. I'm going through everything I have, picking out the white and getting the look that I want. These ones just won't get used this year, and that's okay. There's some years that I want it to look like Christmas threw up in my house, and this year just isn't one of them. I'm going very minimalistic. I did a rose gold tree last year, and these are the bulbs that I got for them last year, and they'll come out to play again, but for now, they're going away. Now let's talk memory tree. This is where you put all your ornaments that mean something to you. This is where I put all the ornaments that my husband and I got as little kids, or that we've been gifted as a couple, or ornaments that we've bought while we're on vacation. That's what we choose to buy for souvenirs. It's so fun to be able to take them out once a year and remember. So I won't finish the memory tree tonight because my husband likes to do that with me. So we'll choose another night for that. And the last thing I need to do with this tree is put the star on top, but I'm going to need a ladder from the garage, so I'll have Matt get that. And hopefully I can finish that tomorrow or the next day. Good night.